Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve the puzzle if 6 is equals to 42, 7 is equals to 56, 8 is equals to 72, 9 is equals to what? So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you crack the logic, pause the video here and comment down your answer. And if you didn't, so let's find out. So 6 to 42, how can we reach? By multiplying with the next number. 6 times 7 is 42. Similarly, 7 with its next number. 8. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 with next number. 9. 8 times 9 is 72. So what we multiply with 9? 10. So 9 times 10 is 90. So what replaces the question mark? 90. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.